Imagine pulling up to a luxury hotel and every head turns your way. That's exactly the kind of presence the all-new 2027 Toyota luxury van is expected to deliver. Toyota has built a reputation for creating vehicles that combine reliability with premium comfort, but this upcoming model looks ready to raise the bar even higher. From its bold styling to its first-class cabin, this van is designed for families, executives, and anyone who wants to travel in complete luxury. If you've ever wondered what the future of premium transportation looks like, you're about to find out. The first thing you'll notice is its striking design. Toyota has given this luxury van a sophisticated appearance with a massive front grille, razor-sharp LED headlights, and sleek daytime running lights that create an unmistakable signature on the road. Smooth body lines flow from front to rear, giving the vehicle a refined yet powerful stance. Chrome accents premium alloy wheels, and a sculpted rear end complete the upscale look. Despite its large size, every angle feels modern and aerodynamic, proving that luxury and practicality can exist together. Step inside and you'll quickly realize this isn't an ordinary van. The cabin feels more like a private jet lounge than a family vehicle. Premium leather upholstery, real wood style trim, and soft ambient lighting create an elegant atmosphere. The spacious seating layout offers exceptional legroom and headroom, allowing every passenger to relax in complete comfort. Depending on the configuration, captain's chairs with reclining functions, heating, ventilation, and massage features could transform every trip into a first-class experience, whether you're heading to the airport or taking a long road trip. This cabin is built to make every mile enjoyable. Technology plays a huge role in making this van feel futuristic. A massive touchscreen infotainment system is expected to support wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, while a fully digital instrument cluster provides all the driving information you need. Rear passengers could enjoy individual entertainment screens, multiple USB-C charging ports, wireless charging pads, and premium surround sound that turns the cabin into a personal concert hall. Voice commands, connected services, and over-the-air software updates ensure the technology remains current for years to come. Performance is expected to be just as impressive as the design. Toyota may offer an advanced hybrid powertrain that delivers smooth acceleration while maintaining excellent fuel efficiency. An intelligent all-wheel drive system could provide added confidence during rain or snow, while an advanced suspension setup promises a quiet and comfortable ride. Even with a cabin full of passengers and luggage, this luxury van should deliver refined performance without sacrificing comfort or stability. Safety has always been one of Toyota's strongest qualities, and the 2027 luxury van is expected to continue that tradition. The latest Toyota Safety Sense package will likely include adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, automatic emergency braking, blind spot monitoring, rear cross traffic alert, and a 360-degree camera system. Parking such a large vehicle becomes much easier thanks to intelligent parking assistance and advanced driver support technologies. While Toyota hasn't officially revealed pricing, experts expect the 2027 Toyota luxury van to compete with other premium people movers by offering outstanding value for its level of luxury and technology. If Toyota delivers everything enthusiasts are hoping for, this could become one of the most desirable luxury vans on the market. So, what do you think? Would you choose this gorgeous new Toyota over a luxury SUV? Let us know in the comments, and don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss the latest automotive reveals.